guys, here's some units there. They're old Bryant HVAC. This one sounds not good. This one sounds horrible. But oh cool, this one's running. And this is a nosy Bryant heat pumps. Yeah, but this one doesn't sound good. But this one isn't running. Alright, so let's go see the other old Bryant heat pumps. Okay, here's an old Bryant HVAC. Nah, I think those leaves doesn't blow as well, but this is super old, but they didn't replace it. They don't have the thing to replace it, but on the top the fan grill, it's rusty. But I thought it is old. But let's go see the carrier base model units. Okay guys, here's the carrier base model. Oh sweet! This one is running. Yep, these are not running. We got this unit and this unit running, and never seen this unit running at all. Okay guys, here's the carrier base model. That also sounds noisy. I really want to catch that unit. Yep, this one just shut it off. But now, here it is. Okay, so I thought this carrier is running, but I want to make that unit a Bryant, but they only have a carrier. There's a Bryant Century, and then there it is. So I want to talk about this first. Okay, so this carrier HVAC base at the night, we saw this unit running at all. Alright, bye.